It can be hard to know where to start when looking for a career. Everyone wants a job that gives us both professional and personal satisfaction. You want to find something that you're passionate about, but it's not always easy to figure out. Superior Drain Solutions is perfect for anyone looking for a rewarding career. Get out of the office and manage your own drain cleaning route. Superior Drain Solutions offers each new hire starts with our hands-on ride-along training. You'll learn from the best. And after training, you get to work with industry-leading drain cleaning equipment and tools and drive your own Superior Drain Solutions van. You might be wondering, why drain cleaning? The drain cleaning industry is always in high demand, regardless of the economy. Homeowners and businesses need drain cleaners to keep their plumbing systems working. Our team has multiple decades of experience with residential and commercial drain repair. Take advantage of this opportunity and apply today. We'd love to have you on our team.